Living on the coast offers beautiful views, but the constant ocean breeze brings a hidden threat: relentless humidity. That airborne moisture is the perfect breeding ground for mold if you aren't prepared. The first line of defense is your air conditioner. It doesn't just cool your home, it naturally dehumidifies the air. Set it to run consistently, especially during the muggiest summer months, to pull moisture out of the environment. However, an AC unit alone isn't always enough in a coastal climate. Investing in a whole home dehumidifier or placing high-capacity portable units in historically damp areas like basements and crawl spaces is absolutely essential. Keep a close eye on your indoor moisture levels. Purchase a simple, inexpensive digital hygrometer for your main living areas. Your goal is to keep the relative humidity strictly below 50% at all times. Coastal homes are prone to sudden storms and wind-driven rain. Inspect your window seals and weather stripping annually. Even microscopic cracks around your frames can let salty, humid air seep directly into your drywall. Ventilation is critical, but timing matters. While it is tempting to open the windows to enjoy the ocean air, doing so on a highly humid day invites gallons of water vapor inside. Keep windows closed when the humidity spikes outside. Cooking and showering generate massive amounts of steam. Powerful exhaust fans in the kitchen and bathrooms must pull that moisture completely out of the house, ensuring it vents directly outside and never into your attic space. Coastal weather wears down a home's exterior faster than inland climates. Routinely check your roof, siding, and gutters. Clogged downspouts force rainwater against your foundation, where it eventually seeps indoors to feed mold spores. Inside your home, eliminate damp microenvironments. Never leave wet beach towels or bathing suits bunched up on the floor. Hang them outside to dry completely before bringing them back into the house. Mold loves dark, stagnant spaces. Closets in coastal homes easily trap damp air. Leave closet doors slightly ajar to promote airflow, and consider using moisture-absorbing hanging bags to protect your clothing and shoes from mildew. Protect your coastal home from the constant threat of moisture. For expert mold remediation and professional water damage solutions, trust the local experts. Visit goldcoastflood.com.